So students, in last class we have discussed this 12th bit A. 12th bit, what is that? Read the stories carefully and solve them. Okay, 12th bit is what? Read the stories carefully and solve them. Okay, so under this heading we have completed 12th bit A. That what is that? Sheba had 9,513 rupees. That one we have completed. So let us start from 12th B in this class. Okay, 12th B. What is there? 12th bit B question. What is that question? A book has 345 pages. A book has 345 pages. How many pages will be there in 19 such books? So here he is asking, a book has 345 pages. There is a book like your textbook. There is some book. It is having how many pages? 345 pages are there in one book. So how many pages will be there in 19 such books? If there are 19 books like that, how many pages will be there totally? He is asking. Each book has 345 pages only, but in 19 books, if you are adding all the 19 books, how much you will get? He is asking. So here he is saying this is the number of books. So let us see the solution. Okay. So number of pages. So this is a story problem. No, you have to write it in a statement wise. Okay. Don't write it directly answer. Number of pages in a book equal to 345. 345 pages are there in one book. So number of books, how much? Number of books is equal to how much? 19. There are 19 such books. Okay, 19 books are there and each book contains 345 pages. Total how many pages you will get? He is asking how many pages will be there in 19 such books. So you want totally how many pages are there in 19 such books? All books contains 345 pages. There are 19 books like that. Totally how many pages you are going to get? He is asking how many pages are there? How many pages will be there in 19 such books? So what you have to do? You have two options. This one completed? No. Number of pages in a book is 345. Okay. Number of books equal to 19. You can also write on your own. Just for understanding I am saying this. So there are, what I am saying is, so here we can do two things. By doing these two different processes, you will get the same answer. But what is the thing, the difference is, you can do the addition. Addition means here 19 books are there, no? Of how many pages? 345. So you have to add 345 plus 345 plus 345 plus 345. So like that you have to multiply till 19 times. You have to add 19 times all this. 345 plus 345 plus 345 plus 345, like that up to 19 times you have to add these numbers. How much time will it take? It takes at least, for you, it takes at least half an hour or more than that. So this is one option you have. One more option is what? So this is a lengthy process. What I am saying is this is a very lengthy process. Like that, like this also you will get the same answer, but this is a lengthy process. So the second option what I am saying is, he said 19 books are there. Each book has 345 pages. How many pages are there? 345 into 19. If you do this, will you get the number of pages in 19 books? Total number of pages in 19 books will you get? So this is the least, it will be taking least time. This is the least time taking. Okay, you will complete this in less time. Okay, this multiplication you will complete in less time. Instead of adding all 345 for 19 times, can you do like this? Yes, no? So this is the correct process. No, it will take less time and you will get the same answer. After adding 345 for 19 times also you will get the same answer. After multiplying 345 with 19 also takes same answer, gives you same answer. So this one is, which one we shall do? This one or this one? So you have to select the process which takes the least time. Okay, this will take less time, no? And you will get the same answer. This one you will get the same answer, that one also you will get the same answer. So you have to select the less time taking process. Okay, so understand the question carefully what I am saying. So if you are adding, he said 345 pages book is there. A book is containing 345 pages and 19 number of books are there. How many pages are there in total he is asking. How many pages? 345 plus 345 plus 345. For 19 times you have to add to get the answer. Instead of doing that, what I am saying is multiply 345 with 19. 345 is the number of pages into books, number of books. So after writing number of pages in a book, after writing number of books equal to 9, after writing those two statements, what I am saying, so total number of pages is equal to number of pages in one book. In a book means in one book. In one book into number of books. So means here number of pages in one book is 345 into number of books means you are having 19 books. Let us do the multiplication. 345 into 19. 9 5s are 45. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 4 40. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4 31. Okay. 1 5s are 5. 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. Okay. So if you are adding, you will get 5 5 5 6. Is it correct? So after doing this multiplication you got 6555. Okay, so after adding 345 for 19 times and after multiplying, so if you are adding 345 for 19 times also you will get the same answer. If you are multiplying 345 into 19 also you will get the same answer. Okay, so at last what is the answer? How many pages will be there in 19 such books? Total number of pages in 19 such books equal to 6555. Okay, means 6555 pages will be there in 19 books. If you are adding all the book pages you will get this one, 6555 pages. Okay, so like that you have to represent, you have to write in a statement wise for this story problems. Okay, so this is how your level of understanding should be. What is he asking, what we should do, you should understand that one. For that you have to read the question carefully. You will automatically understand. If you read the question carefully, you will automatically understand what we have to find out. Okay, that's all. So 12th bit B is completed. Let's see 12th bit C. The question is, 1 minute. The question is, there are 27 cartons of juice packets in a shop. There are 27 cartons of juice packets in a shop. Okay, each carton has 217 packets. Each carton has 217 only, no, packets. Find the total number of juice packets. Okay, so there is a similarity between this question and the previous question. In the previous question, what he asked, a book has 345 pages and 19 books are there, like that. So how many pages are there in all these books? You want how many pages are there in 19 books? So we multiplied 345 into 19, you got 6555 pages. But so here he is saying there are 25 cartons of juice packets in a shop. So a shop has 27 cartons. Cartons means a big box will be there. You will get chocolate cartons, juice packet cartons, like that in a shop you will get, no? So 27 cartons of juice packets are there. So let us write. There are 27 cartons of juice packets, a big box. Okay, like that 27 boxes are there. Each carton has 217 packets of juice. So in each packet you will be having 217 packets. Okay, in each carton you are having 217 packets. See, each carton has 217 packets. Like that, how many cartons are there? 27 cartons are there. So in previous question, what he asked, in one book there are 345 pages. In 19 books, how many are there? Like that only. In one carton there are 217 packets. In 27 cartons, how many are there? Total number of packets. Find the total number of juice packets. How many are there? Similarly, what you should do? Once again I am saying, there are two options for you. First option is what? For solution I am asking. First option is what? 217 packets are there. So 217, you have to add 27 times. Plus 217 plus 217, like that you have to add 27 times. Here 1, 2 times only. Like that you have to do 27 times. You have to add this 217. Will this be taking the less time, or directly if you do, this is the first option. Second option is, if you do directly 217 into 27, this will be taking less time, or this adding 217 for 27 times will be taking less time? So obviously this will be taking less time. Okay, so for such type of questions you should do the multiplication. By reading the question carefully you will come to understand. Okay, so I am rubbing the question. If you want question, you can see in your textbook. I have to write the solution now. Okay, This is 12th one C, 12th C. So the solution is like this. You have to write number of cartons, number of juice cartons are there, no? Number of juice cartons in a shop equal to how much? 27 cartons are there, means 27 big boxes are there. In each box you will be having 217 packets of juice. So number of packets, number of juice packets in each carton, means in one single carton how many packets of juice are there? It is 217 packets are there. So 27 cartons and 217 packets in each carton. So what he is asking? Total number of juice packets. Total number of juice packets is equal to number of juice cartons, number of juice cartons into, so number of juice cartons means this one, into number of juice packets in each carton, number of juice packets in each carton. Okay, up to here it is completed. No, you have written number of juice cartons in a shop and number of juice packets in each carton. This one completed, no? So you have to multiply these two, number of juice cartons into number of juice packets in each carton. In each carton you have to multiply this. That is only I wrote here. Okay, so I am rubbing this upper statement. If you want to write the notes, once again see the video and write the notes. Okay, or else it will take much time. Number of juice cartons are how much? So this one I am continuing here. 27 juice cartons are there, into number of juice cartons is 27. Number of juice packets in each carton is how much? 217. Okay, so you have to multiply. How much you will get? Let us see. 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 4 11. 7 twos are 14 plus 1 15. 2 sevens are 14. You have to leave here one place, no? 2 sevens are 14. Okay, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. 2 twos are 4. Okay, so 9 5. If you are adding this, you will get 9. You will get 5. 5 plus 3 8. 4 plus 1 5. So what is the answer? So if you multiply these two, you will get 5859. Okay, so total number of juice packets is equal to how much? 5859. This should be the last statement. Okay, so after solving this, you will get this. Total number of juice packets equal to number of juice cartons into number of juice packets in each carton. So if you multiply these two, you will get this one. So what is the meaning of this? What is 5859? What are this? This number indicates which? Total number of juice packets. He asked in the question, no, how many total number of juice packets are there? So total number of juice packets equal to, after solving you got 5859 juice packets. Okay, like that you have to answer this type of story problems. Okay, very easy if you understand the question very carefully. Okay, so in today's class we have completed two problems, 12th B and 12th C. Okay, we have completed these two, and you are having one more question in this 12th bit, that is 12th D. 12th D is there. So this 12th D, a sports club purchased 868 cricket balls for 7 players. How many balls will be allocated to each player? So that question is there, no? 12th D. 12th D is for your homework. You solve, okay? In next class I will continue from here. Then you can check where you are going wrong. Okay, you have to solve this for your homework. Okay.